has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. The action has already started. What an impressive figure Oliver Kahn cuts. And the shot! Just off target. Alaba
nearly produced a moment of magic. He knew the strike was pure.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Played out to the right. Beckham tried to play it through. Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out. Plays it long. Messi. Oh, real danger here. It's anyone's ball. Quick glance, real chance! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Over to the left. Done very well to intervene. Son Heung-min plays it forward. Nicely measured pass. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Cleared away. He's gone for it! Had a swing, but it wasn't to be.
Listen, I'm not sure he had to go at that first time, but at least he showed some good confidence.
Mbappe, he's through, now is he in? Zico looks to dink one in. Christensen attempts a clearance. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. De Gea will lay claim to that. And it's Messi. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Striding forward, facing goal. The referee has given a corner. De Ligt can get it. Tries a shot! Hits one! Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
It's a clearance for not much of one. Messi. Messi puts his foot on the gas with a delicate ball. Well played, he saw that coming. Tries to dink it in. Tries to get it clear. And he's straight offside. He's on his way. Got a sight of goal here. Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. Thiago. Beckham. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. Tries to get it forward quickly. Lobs it in gently.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Van Dijk drives it forward. Referee's had a look and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goalless. So there was the first half.
France really did turn up the tempo at the end of the half, and while they'll be disappointed not to have broken through, obviously, the chances will come, provided they can keep producing.
Oh, shooting chance! Cleared without complication. Hoists it forward. Alaba positions himself well and cuts it out. Chip through. Keane. And the defence can get it clear. And it's played forward. Messi was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. And that's been won straight back. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Oh, he's broken through. Van Dijk does well to read it and intercepts.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
Oh, good ball. And he's shown him a click. Has a hit! Goal! Relief, finally. That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Keane showed real composure then. I mean, how often do you see a player do everything right until he gets into the box, only to completely kind of fluff the finish? Not him.
France draw first blood here.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang. That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Well, there's no...
Mbappe! Oh, taken with style. And that's it. That was always inevitable. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in a hurry. Tails most definitely up now.
Good ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. He gets past his man. Corner.
Czech Republic showing a good level of intensity at this stage.
Belts one. Oh, should have put that away.
It's a very watchable game, isn't it? Any goal from here could well be the winner.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Well, the referee's seen the board and he's going to allow a double change to go ahead now. Pogba. That's a decent ball. Mbappe! And somehow he managed to miss it. Van Dijk goes looking. Messi. Mbappe.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Added time is up, and there goes the whistle.